Good morning, respected employers, my HR fraternity friends and colleagues, marketing fraternity friends and colleagues, and all other functional fraternities friends and colleagues. In earlier two videos, I have given some bullet point conceptual ideas on world class manufacturing and world class services. Though whether world class manufacturing, world class services, world class marketing and quality etc. in the world class manufacturing system and processes, the foundations, the pillars are the same as I have elaborated in 8 pillars of world class manufacturing. Today I am going to share something critical points in respect of marketing and with focus on world class marketing systems and processes as a part of world class systems. Before I go into the depth of it in bullet points, in very brief, let me refer one study carried out earlier, which says that why customers quit. The study says 1% of the customers says out of death, 3% customer moves away from one supplier or vendor to another supplier or vendor, 9% goes because of competitive reasons, whether in terms of marketing services or in terms of products, and 14% goes because of product itself in comparison to products available from other competitors. Of course, price remains a factor in between. 68%. Interestingly, the study has highlighted very categorically that 68% of customers leave because of attitude of the company as a whole towards the customer and marketing and sales professional attitude towards the customer, and both together makes a combination of leaving customer at the rate 68%, which is very dangerous syndrome for any organization and which calls for deliberate, focused and commitment attention in the matter of marketing and sales. We have to be very much catalytic, very much trained, very much developed, very much synergistic and very much aligned with the customer psychology, customer philosophy, customer perception, so on and so forth. Now, what is marketing? World class marketing. At the same time, as I said earlier also, world class marketing is also based on 8 pillars which I have discussed in world class manufacturing system. And essentially, manufacturing and marketing are very closely related to each other, which you understand very easily, no issues on that. And then question comes, what is world class manufacturing itself? It is a unique process. World class marketing is a unique process to achieve enterprise excellence. The moment I say marketing to achieve enterprise excellence, that means I am going back again to the figure of 68%, which leaves because of attitude, because of behavior, and because of many dimensions and variables of marketing in terms of approaches, in terms of behavior, in terms of products, so on and so forth. So, excellence has to be achieved by practicing world class manufacturing systems in letter and spirit. What does it cover? It covers both theoretical process as also practical process, both mixed together, and continued study of both theory and practice match, with scope of reviewing, revising, remodeling, so on and so forth, should continue to match the excellence required in the marketing to sustain the customers of the product or the company. The process integrates what? It's a physical process characteristics and management process characteristics. Uniquely, these both terms reflects to the entire management systems, processes, etc. to be focused on marketing. Now, everything has a drivers. Everything has a driver. Marketing has also its drivers. Which drivers? The value drivers. What are those? As far as customers are concerned, customer segmentation, market selection, market focus, value positioning, and so on and so forth. Provide the customer value, product development, service development, pricing, sourcing, distributing is a value again. Third value is communication value. What is that? Communication with the sales force, among the sales force and marketing, marketing and vendor, marketing and competitors, so on and so forth. Sales promotion, advertising, and lot of methods of market penetration, product positioning, so on and so forth. So, in reality, if we look at, everybody understands it, marketing basically starts or begins before the product is made or produced. It is of course necessary, otherwise there is no point of going for manufacturing whatever be the product until and unless market is analyzed, market is researched, market is understood, supply demand ratio is understood, market gap in the market share is understood, so on and so forth. Lot of studies are required before taking a decision to go for a product manufacturing. Of course, all the organizations do this for one reason or the other. Obviously they have to do, but there are a lot of things to focus more to be more precise, to bring excellence in marketing, which I call to practice world-class manufacturing and marketing practices besides services. The maximum focus therefore goes on the what? The customer demand, customer needs and expectations. Yesterday I talked of customer delight, wherein the formula I talked of is customer expectations, customer satisfaction divided by customer expectation is equal to customer delight. So, which are the forces work behind it? The forces behind it are quality and quality, no compromise on that, zero defect product and without any deficiency in the product features, characteristics, so on, so forth. Followed by liaison. Liaison with whom? Internal customers, external customers, competitors, vendors, suppliers and all other stakeholders within and without the organization. More so, information system. Information system has to be very much categorical, focused, customized, automated and analyzed so that day in day out, weekly, fortnightly, monthly, annually data are coming up automatically to strategize the way forward for all the companies. Having said that, I again emphasize in the present context, present scenario, present business environment and business environmental threats coming out. For example, COVID. We don't know how many COVIDs are going to come in future, but it is time for the organizations to get ready to face more and more challenges in near future and future ahead, catalytically to sustain and to grow. Today is the day has gone. Tomorrow is going to be more tougher and more tougher. That is why I have taken this topic of world-class systems, whether in manufacturing, whether in services, whether in marketing, and tomorrow or day after I will come up with the quality as well. Hope my small video will give some food for thought to the entrepreneurs, to the organizations, to the top management, to the marketing professionals, to the sales professionals to have a look into depth of it and its essence. Fortunately, I had the experience of around 10 years being involved in both in theoretical and practical approach right from the inception, conception and deriving result in one conglomerate Indian MNC, and I am fortunate for that. I have urged to share this to other companies as well with all the data that I have, all the knowledge base I have, all the practical experience that I have and all the background processes, systems, documents, so on and so forth all are with me. If any organization, any employer, any top management has the interest, has taken my views in a proactive and positive way, I will be glad to hear from them, to have a one-to-one discussion, to discuss more at length, and if necessary to go ahead to achieve the excellence over excellence, and excellence has no limit. Thank you very much. In description I have given some some more information, including my details as well. I welcome everybody for tomorrow to have a interaction in depth, and in depth with a purpose and looking forward. Thank you very much.